Galing buti.
What's happening, man?
Jake, I like it, man.
Ayaw ba kung mabuti yung plastic mo, Jake?
I thought you were the best.
Kasi magalit yung mami mo pag gagal mo dyan.
YouTube.
Ay, bigay yung tissue.
Wait, wait.
Ay, wala na. Bakit saging?
Kaya saging.
Nawa yung paa niya.
Gas. Hey, banana man. What's up?
Vitamins. Vitamins.
Yeah!
Vitamins.
Ay, kunin mo daw yun.
Mitch wants to kiss you na right now.
Naway.
Wala na tissue. Wala na, Jake.
Banana man.
Baging man.
What's up, banana man?
Oy!
Say hi, Jake. Say hi. Say hi
Hey,
first.
banana man.
Say hi.
you're back.
Hi, Jake.
Hi, Jake RN. Jake Nicolay Dixman RN.
Say good night. Time.
It's time.
Jake water Jake.
Time to explode.
I think you're
Banana man, you're back.
Jake,
Banana man, you're back.
Jake!
Jake water.
Wag muna! Ay, Jake, water.
Banana man, you're back.
Tapos ka na, Jake!
Jake, wala naman.
Oy!
What can you say? Jake,
What do you want to say?
I can say that
how was your vomit?
a vomit. My vomit is some kind of
How was your blowout?
blood.
Hey, banana man.
What's your motto for today, man?
Thank you.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Maybe later.
Okay. Very supportive.
Thank you for that care. Thank you for the care.
Okay. Uy, Jake! Wag pagsalitay mo muna.
Wala naman.
Banana man, you're back.
Pagsalitay mo
Yeah.
muna siya. Jake!
Oh no.
This one of the lifetime. One of a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime!
This is a once in a lifetime experience that I've been going through.
Are you okay, Jake?
Tapos na yan! Tapos na yan!
Oh, you're one of the best. You're the banana man. Woo, banana man.
Let's do it more.
More!
Welcome
Jake, more!
back, banana man.
Thank you for that care. You're a true nurse.
Thank you.
Jake, more Jake. Now, what's your motto?
Jake, what can you say to your friends? To your high school friends?
I can say that.
Jake, yung suka mo pag ginatapon mo, mag-aayos pa natin.
Jake.
What can you say?
I can say that.
What? Now what? Banana man, you're back.
You're back, man.
You're back, man.
Jake,
You're back, man.
Jake, tissue.
That shit.
Thank you. I can say that this hikers.
Ano kayo?
What hikers?
High schools.
Yeah.
I can say that high school friends, my true friends, forever. Let's rock this up.
Jake, can you show me your vomit?
Vomit? No.
That was great, mate. That was
This not my vomit. It's just my.
Jake, can you show your ass just one? One time. Come on. One time.
What kind of ass? I can see you're green-minded.
Green-minded.
Stop that video.
Come on, Jake.
No.
Show your ass.
You're an artist.
Tissue.
Hindi ko pa napapaputi eh.
Show your ass. Show your ass.
Come on, Jake. Just one face. One face of your ass.
One.
What? My ass?
Show your ass. Show your ass. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nice one, Jake. Nice one.
Ganyan na kain. Sige, grab the mukha.
Good shit, man. Good shit.
Grab the opportunity.
Grab the opportunity.
You're such a sportsman. Oh, your turn to drink again.
Oh!
It's your turn.
It's not mine. It's
This is yours.
Yours.
Tubig muna.
What?
Again?
Water. Oh, water.
He's finished.
Serious?
Yes. We're
Water.
not joking.
Oh, don't fool me.
No.
Don't fool me, it's yours already.
Show your
Don't
dick.
fool me.
Show your dick.
Why?
I can play honestly and perfectly. Don't
Show
fool me.
your Angry Bird. Show your Angry Bird. Show your 4, 3, 2,
It's not yet angry.
Hindi na lang. Show that bird. Bird in 5.
Jake, you have to say goodbye now. Bye-bye.
I want the angry
Bye,
bird.